Hello everyone, this is Priyanshu and this is Team Apex Unifiers 2.0. We are back with our startup DocNavigator, which is a search tool to quickly access industry standards and get personalized results, summary codes based on your queries with AI-driven results. So let's sign up to our application. You can sign up to our website, giving your name, email, password, and re-enter your password. If you already have an account, just press on already have an account and sign up to our portal. So once you put your credentials in our portal, you can log in and directly navigate to the dashboard pages. In the dashboard page, this is the semantic search options where operational location, industry, and sectors, and what is your designation so that we can cater the result according to your designation and your profile and your location. So once you are searching about NFPA code here, you can get the results about NFPA codes, and this shows the 98% similarity found with your query. Apart from that, you got other results where the similarity results are less than 80%, which is 60% in our case. Let's move to full text search. In this option, the search will be based on the text, where a direct text-to-text based search will be found from our databases.
In this search option, the document search, the search option is using the expand query of using Gemini AI, and it displays the documents and the pages essentially.
Great. You can also add your knowledge base where you can upload any file, any section of codes which are right now available to you, and just add the link of so that we can trace back to the link also, and just select the type of documents which falls in this category and submit it. And hooray, this is submitted in our portal. And now you can just ask any question about it.
So I would like to show the backend portion of our project, which is like we'll upload the files from here, like the latest ISO rules book from 9001 to 2015, as it covers all the rules about the mandatory requirements. And we'll ask a question here about the rule book. For example, what are the requirements in regards to the type and extent of controls? And when we'll press enter, it will fetch the content of this file through Gemini API. And when we click on get answer, it will get the best suitable results from this file only and tell us that these are the rules which are essential for a company. And this is the extracted text of the whole file. But the main answer is this.
So this was our demo video for our application, which include front-end and back-end by Team Apex Unify 2.0. Thank you.